Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off your comments notification settings on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile icon like this, click on these three lines here, click settings and privacy, and now you find here notifications. Click on it, and here just click like this and it will be turned off. That's how to turn off your comments notification settings. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.